Going jumping in the trampoline. One more time. Whoa. Hey, Justin, trying to shovel ice. Oh my god, it's so cold. Hey, blow in here. Sorry. So we just got back inside and changed because it's so cold. Feeling better, Justin? Hey, Sophie. Now Sophie can play. What is that we made? 2 little omelets? 2 egg whites?
Ice cream.
You got ice cream? Let me see. Ooh, yummy, Sophie. And ice cream here with little balls. Do you see these, friends? They're like tiny little ice cubes. They're so round and so small. It's how crazy hail is different, very different from snow. These are very hard and round like a ball. So we're just having fun with them, huh, kids?
Yeah.
Yeah. What are you gonna make, Sophie? Ice cream? Cook me something good, Sophie.
Oh.
How about put some veggies in there too? You gonna go heat up your... Should we heat up in the microwave?
Yes.
Gonna heat up some ice cream in the microwave. Heat it up, Sophie. Here, Minnie Mouse? Can I see?
Minnie Mouse
It's ready. It's ready. Yum, Sophie. Ice cream. And it didn't melt in the microwave. Awesome.
Just make a corn.
Just to make corn? Corn ice?
Yes.
Here, Sophie, why don't you cook me something in your pot?
Nope.
Oh no, I dropped the ice cream. Mommy. I'm sorry, Mommy dropped your ice cream.
This is my ice cream.
Oh no, now it's all over the floor. Hey, Sophie, what's cooking in the oven? Open the oven, see what's cooking. What's in the pot? What you cooking in there?
I know.
You don't know. Let's see what's inside.
I opened it.
Oh, it got stuck?
Yeah.
Oh no. It is stuck. Oh, Justin. Uh-oh, we need help. Where's Justin at? What's in the pot, Justin?
I don't know.
What? Are those surprises?
Yeah.
You want to pop it? Let's pop it on the egg. I'm gonna crack the egg. Sophie, crack it. Crack it in the pan. See what we cook it in here. Ooh,
Let me stop.
it's stuck here. This egg is not cracking. Yay! What is that? We got a smoothie Shopkins in our egg. We'll put it right here.
Smoothie Shopkins.
There it is. Let's crack the other egg, Sophie.
Oh no!
What's that?
Onion.
It's a food mixer. Shopkins.
Shopkins.
One more egg, Sophie. Do you want to crack it? Here, Justin, you crack it. Crack it in the pan. Oh! What's that?
Yogurt.
Yogurt. Good job.
Yogurt. Blue one.
You want to see? Well, we have to put this pot back in the oven and see what will come out. Okay.
More.
Okay.
Fish that.
Beep, beep, beep. What's in our pot? More surprise egg! What's cooking? Throw these eggs away. What is that? You got a prank egg with ice. Here, Sophie, put it in here. Oh, you're gonna put it in there? What's in the other eggs?
This one. Prank egg.
Is there another prank egg in there? Justin, prank you?
No.
Shopkin!
No.
Shopkin ice cream sundae.
Shopkins.
Shopkin what? Shopkin
Shopkins.
ice cream? Is this an ice cream? Yes. Do you got another one? Is that it? We cracked up all our eggs today. Now back to your cooking. Cooking with ice. A big, wow, perfect ice egg. Whoa. Sophie, do you want to see what's inside? Is it just ice? Crack it.
Crack it.
Whoa! It's Gordon.
Gordon.
What's he doing in the ice?
Gordon.
What was that, Sophie? Gordon. What's he doing in the ice?
He wants to play. Probably with his friends too.
Alright. You made another egg for Sophie?
Yeah.
Okay, Sophie, look inside. Hold on, let him. Carefully, carefully. Perfect egg.
Egg.
Okay, Sophie, crack inside the sink. Wow! Good job. Good karate chop. Who's this?
I know.
Ooh, it's a octopus on this train.
Frozen. He's frozen.
He's frozen.
It's not.
Yeah? Good job, Sophie. Did you guys have fun playing with hail today?
Yeah.
Nature's natural ice?
Yeah.
Yeah, Sophie? Say bye, friends.
Bye.
Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.
Ew.
Feel it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's cold.